idling it up to hot. It just went over 196. We don't have a fan. We're low on power steering fluid. That's causing a squeaking. Trying to, you know, bubble out the system. So trying to get it hot. But everything's turnkey. The problem is though, this trans cooler is cold as ice. So I assume that the gears are shot in the trans because it's been in idle, pumping the transmission, or neutral rather. That'll pump the transmission. So that should be getting the fluids hot. So I think we got bad pump gears, I think.